In this session, you will learn about how to insert and manage headers, footers and page numbers to your document. Generally, the header will be in the top part of the document. So, that is in the top margin. See, this is the top margin. So, you will get header here and scroll down the document. This is the bottom part of the document. So, you will get footer here. Okay, and in header or footer you can insert page numbers. Right. First select the header, and in this we have different options. Suppose only one area blank header, and second one is 3-column header. 3 columns will come using this header, and some other formats also available. See, like this. So, you can select the required format. Suppose I am selecting this one, 3-column header, left to right to center parts, 3 parts available. See here, this is one part, this is one part, this is one part. This header text will repeat in each and every page. See, I am in second page, there is header, and I am in third page, there also header. So, if once you edited any text in the document, suppose I am in center, I am typing, this is MS Word course notes, like that. Okay, that I want to print in each and every page. So, that will be in the header part of the document. See, this is also in second page and third page. How many pages you have, it will repeat automatically, you will get that one. And suppose I want some other areas. See, when you are in header section, automatically you will get header and footer toolbar here. So, in that particular toolbar, you can insert, suppose I want date and time here, insert date and time. The format also you can select. Okay. So, each and every page will get the date and what you inserted, in what format you inserted. And suppose in this area I am going to insert a page number. Here it is asking where you want the page number. See, page number top of the page here. So, automatically if you insert the page number session means it will replaces the header sessions everything. So, I am pressing Ctrl Z. Okay. And see, page numbers current position I am giving, just current position. So, that keeps the remaining parts, and currently it is giving page number 1. If you go to the second page, automatically that will be page number 2 and page number 3. Like that you can insert the page numbers. And see, here again you have header and footer options in the bar also. So, in insert again go to footer. You can also have footer section what you want, like this. For example, suppose I am giving some other information, suppose continue to next page, or some other text you can type. So, that will be in the footer section of the document of each and every page. See, each and every page will continue the same. And if you are in footer session or header session, always this tab will be in highlighted mode. So you can go to header and go to footer. You can shift between headers and footer like this. Okay, you can also insert some document related information in footer or header, like suppose document file name MS Office 2, like that document related information, file path, document title. So what are the informations you need, you can place in header as well as footer. And if once you click on the main area, double click on the main area, automatically the header and footer bar disappears, the tab disappears. And if you double click on footer session or header session, again the header and footer tab will come and you can do some more work with that one, and double click on the main area and double click on the header, you will get again. Always you can close like this also, close header and footer. So you will get the body of the document and double click on header and footer. So like that you can insert headers in the top margin and you can place relevant information to print or to view in the each and every page of your document, and similarly footer also. And if you want to remove header and footer, see, if you select footer, remove footer option is available. So go to down, the footer is blank. And if you don't want even header also, remove header. Header session also removed. And if you double click on the page, means no headers, and see, come down, no footers. So like that you can insert headers and footers, and you can manage page numbers inside the header or footer. Okay, all these activities you can do in MS Word document.